Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to track your social impact projects in Airtable, the 2025 edition. First up, create a new base to house your project. This provides a central location for all your project information. You can even start with a template and customize it to your needs. Now that we've done that, let's add some tables. Tables are like individual spreadsheets within your base. Create one for each project component, such as stakeholders, project tasks, and impact indicators. This helps us because it organizes all project information in an easily accessible way. Next up, let's define some fields. Fields are like columns in your table. Customize them to track your specific project indicators, such as project status, budget, and impact metrics. The reason we do this is to ensure that every important detail is tracked and available at a glance. Now, let's link our tables. This step is crucial because it allows your project components to interact. You can link a task to a stakeholder or an impact indicator to a specific task. This helps us because it creates a dynamic system where changes in one table will update relevant information in linked tables. Lastly, set up some views. Views are custom displays of your table. You can filter, sort, and group your data in any way you like. This is really useful because it allows you to see the exact data you need when you need it, such as all tasks due this week or impact indicators that are off track. There you have it. That's how you track your social impact projects in Airtable. Remember, the key is to keep your base organized and make good use of table links and views. In no time, you'll have a clear visual of your projects and their impacts. Until next time, happy tracking.